How to use Teams webinar feature. To use the Teams webinar feature, first of all, launch the Teams application on your device. Make sure that you are on desktop because this feature is not yet available for mobile devices. You have to be on your desktop. Now you should be able to find the drop-down arrow right next to the new meeting in your Teams calendar. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on it. From there, enter the event details by providing the date, time, and description. Also add the title. Now once you go through this, you simply have to configure registration, build the registration form by clicking the edit form, and then proceed to publish the event. Now you simply have to publish the site at the top and copy the public registration link to share via email or social media. Once you do this, you simply have to now set meeting options and then proceed to run the webinar. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.